All right, y'all. The weekend is over. Back at another week. Another week in the market. Hope everybody had a nice Columbus Day weekend. I know y'all had those kids home if you stay in the Southeast region. Especially stay in my city, Savannah, Georgia. My kids was out of school for that little Milton storm. From Thursday all the way to Monday, they was out of school. So they had a 5-day weekend vacation. As y'all know, I was out of town. Just made it back from San Diego on yesterday, Monday, about 7 p.m. Made it back safe. I went down there to check it out, man. And I might say I got to do a video, man. I think I found my second home. If I had to go to the DR, pick and choose, pick up and leave America tomorrow, I think San Diego would be my choice. A lot of other people might choose Santo Domingo, but I think I'll roll out with San Diego and go visit Santo Domingo on the weekends. But do another video on that later. Let's stick to this market. Urgent buyers. I just went in and brought in my cash out portfolio. I just did a quick short of it. I just brought 50 shares of SCHD. You know, they just did a stock split. It's at 28.80. I just went in and brought 50 shares. Probably like 51 or 52 shares once you add over the 51 shares, 51 point something shares. I bought $1,450 worth at, think a price of $28.79. So that's what it gave me. I now have 62 shares with an average cost now of like $27 and something. But that's what I'm buying. Every time it's split, I'm gonna buy 50 shares of it. I want to get 100 shares, but I just did 50, and I'm gonna let that ride out and go up to the next split. Or I might invest some more into it. We're gonna see. I might set my account up to buy $10 worth a day. I do a video on SCHD to show you its holdings and stuff. But urgent buys. As far as in this portfolio, we brought some KLIP. Y'all going to get your paper and pencils down. KLIP is clipped. China Crane shares might get some pushback on the volatility, but I'm buying. Like I said, I like this at 12.20 and lower. Paid a juicy dividend of 39 cents a share for the month of October. Right now it's at 11.87. I'm gonna get $5 more while I'm on the line with y'all on the video. But I brought in at 11.87. I'm about to tell you to put your buy orders in. I brought some shares, 5 or 10 shares in my Charles Schwab portfolio, lower my average cost and plus for the dividend payout, so I can use that cash flow to buy other stocks. That's why I like them, because there's really something you're able to use. Say you got like a car payment every month, a light bill, something you want, you can invest a lump sum of money inside this and just use these monthly dividends. Just spend it on your the bill you need paid. They might have a little volatility. You might suffer a little price depreciation, but for the reason you are doing it, it will work. But if you actually keep these dividends, these stocks for over like over 2 years, I would say, you will, in the long run, you will recuperate your money back. But if you reinvest the dividends, you would do it faster. So that's one we doing, KLIP. Next one we're going to HRZN. That's Horizon Technology. That's still down in buy range. We're going in at 1046. I'm waiting on this one here to go, but I don't want it to, because I want to lower my average cost and buy as many shares as I can every day. But when this takes off and get over that $11 hump, y'all gonna wish y'all had brought it. Like I'm at 11.57 now. This stock has a 52-week high of $13.73. So you're talking about almost $2.90 upside to it as far as profit of share, just in case you want to do a swing trade. Another one down, TSLY. Excuse me, I've got my 100 shares. I brought some more over the weekend. Yesterday at $11.07. The market was closed, but it still triggered the sale for me. This one was down at 11.24. I'm gonna buy some more of my Charles Schwab portfolio. I need to get 100 shares there. I got my 100 shares here, so I'm gonna let it ride and just reinvest the dividends. But I actually wasn't reinvesting the dividends. I've been buying another stock with it. Still reinvesting it, but not back into them. I want to see how long it's gonna take me to make this money back in this portfolio. I got this ETF and 2 other portfolios, but see, I'm down $770.04. But I done had dividends. I know for the last 2 to 3 months they've been paying almost $1 a share. So I've been getting like $62, $80. But I'm gonna just let it see how long, and I'm gonna come back and do a video and show y'all my position in it, and how long it took to get my. If I got 100 shares at 1909, I mean I got like $1,900 into it. 1142 value minus the 760, it should be $1,900. And I'm gonna show you how long it takes to recoup my 1,900 back. We going with some growth stocks. Another one down is Boeing, BA. If y'all want to get into this one, I got this in my cash out portfolio. Also buying $5 a day of it. It got down to 148.55 today. It's at 153. Do not load up on the stock. The workers are still on strike. But this is the great accumulation stage, and to start a position in it. Another one down, DG, Dollar General. It's at $81. Got down to $79.55. Don't load up on this either. Dollar cost average accumulate. It's got a 52-week high of 168.07. So, and a low of 77.96. Another growth one I'm going with is ChargePoint, CHPT. I got 1,387 shares at 1,666. Did get down to 130 today. So, you know, I like it at 140 and under. Add another 10 shares a day at that 130 mark. It goes back down and hit it, touch it. And another one I added. Some of y'all might be down in this position as I am, SBSW. They had a lawsuit come out. That's why the stock came on down. $3.82. I would say if you does pay a dividend and stuff, you know, if you want to get into precious metals, there'd be something for you to buy of interest. I'm probably gonna get out of this stock once I trade out of it. I'm really not a precious metal guy. I brought it way back in the day for the dividend. I mean, this stock was paying like a double-digit dividend way back, but you know, once COVID hit, man, everything kind of lost its value. But I did get some shares of this. I'm gonna buy a share of this every day, especially at the $4 and under mark. I know when they come out with some good news, the stock will go back up. I think the trade volume is in a couple millions of people are trading this. I just need to get my foot in it. Figure it got 4.684 trading volume. So today's high 397, 52-week high 621. So once this stock hit $5, I can easily let loose everything I was buying at the $4 under mark. We're under that price, and collect the dividend while I'm waiting. Like I said, they pay a 1.46% dividend, so they got to be reinvesting dividends back into the company now, which is great too. All right. Because a lot of stuff, man, was up today. Like I say, the market's bullish today. I didn't have a long list, but I'm gonna go check some stuff from Friday, because another one was USOI. Like $65. I want to get my 100 shares in this. I'm taking advantage of this at $70 and under mark, especially the 68, 67 and under. This paid a dividend of $2.20 a share a month for October. I'm gonna go check my traps on my other stocks. Like I said, the weekend has been long. It was off on Monday. RYLD is up. I'm not touching it. I might sell some of my shares that I have, but more likely I'm gonna just keep them. So I should have a hell of a dividend coming, especially at 868 shares. I'm trying to get to my 1,000. Think about put some money just loading up and go in and buy them other 132 shares, and I'd be good. Let's check these traps. The traps I'm checking, they seem to be bullish and up like 20 or 30 cent. Seem like no, TCPC is not. TCPC is 828. That's the low. This one here. Been a long weekend, man. See, you got a 52-week low at 802. See, it's at 833 now. So, yes, I was buying it at 802 and all that there. So, right now, I'm going to hold out on that. I let it get back at that 806, 805. If it pulls back. Remember, another one for y'all that been trading. We were doing ARI, Apollo 2. That's at 896. We've been buying that at the 830 or something range. As you can see, 856, 864. Now it's at 896. It got a 52-week low of 852, so it's up like 40 cents in a share. It's like it's on the rise, so we're gonna let it roll out. If it pull on back, we're gonna take it and buy some more. But right now you can cash up, and HRZN is still a buy, so that's one there you can put that money in. Or another one, we're gonna go with another one, ORC. Let's check that one. That one bullish. It's going back past the $8 mark. So what you can do with this right here, you can actually ride it up. See, this had a low today of 780. This going past the $8 mark. I'm about to buy some of this and swing it. And another a portfolio. I'm gonna do it in my Webull because I'm gonna buy it and sell it. I'm probably gonna buy about 200 shares at $8 and sell it at the 820 mark. I already been doing it in that portfolio. Let's check out PSEC. I mean, mark ORC. PSEC. See, the market might be pricing in these interest rate cuts. As you can see this one here on the green too. At a low today of 509. I'm gonna go in and put my 5 shares in. 5.09. Going to spend this $1,000 I got in there. I'm gonna go back to ORC and put that 780 play in. I was at 780. I'm gonna do 781. So I can take advantage of that. Excuse my little notification, but I'm trading on my my smartphone, my tablet on the charger. Then I get a good charge with it. All right, that's gonna be our list. We done checked everything from last week's trap. ULTY, I want to get that. That was at 1034. I think the day is at like 1050 something. ULTY. I want to get 100 shares of this one. Also, 1058. I brought last week at 1034. See, it's already up 40 cents, so I'm not gonna bother. I already got TSLY and clip, so we good with that. Now let's go check the rest of the market. Probably not gonna be a lot because it's bullish, which is good because that's a sign for you to just cash up outside of the stocks that I have gave you. But you can do whatever you want. You're the CEO of your portfolio. I always remember that. I'm just showing you what I am doing. And I tell you why I'm buying and what stocks to stay out of it too. But the market is looking forward. Seem like, but there's always a bull market somewhere. Another play I've been giving y'all was Goro. Remember this one? I've been giving y'all this one. buying them fractional shares. I said I'm gonna sell it around about 43 bucks. But lowering my average cost, rinse and repeat. I'm gonna see what the market do. If it surpasses the 43 cent, I'm gonna set a stop loss for 43 cents. When it come down and hit it, it'll take the shares out. I can get my money back. If it dips below, back to my 36 and under, I will buy more. But if not, I'm gonna just hold it and see what it do. Let it play itself out. Carver State Bank today is at 160. Last week, this thing got down to about 148, I want to say, 145. I got my buy limit order placed. Got one place for 146, two for 50 shares. I'm going to let it pull pull on back, see what it do. But I do like it at this 160 mark. I ain't going to lie, but I know it might pull back more, so I'm going to watch it. Might be in a little bearish stage now. I'm going to see what it do. That's Carver State Bank. Intel down 2%. I wasn't really watching this because I know it's always stayed above the $22 mark. So you see I'm in the green now in this portfolio. I have some more shares in my Cash App portfolio too. Yes, but gold, I know I'm up in those. USOI, we just got that. SDIV come down, but not low enough. Let's look at UAN. $70 is good, but I'm gonna let it come below that $67 mark. HDV is a buy and hold ETF. Last week I set my account up a reoccurring about $1 worth of DHS. I'm gonna do the same thing in this one. I'm gonna do this online with you. I short set up a recurring investment. Go to recurring investment every market day. I'm gonna buy $1 HDV out of my buying power. Continue. Skip backup payment. $1 every day. Monday to Friday. Starting tomorrow. Cool. That's something like VOO or VTI. You just buy that and hold it and let it go to work. HDV and DHS. Another one is BYM. I'm gonna go in and do that one too later. But let's get through this video. The other one you can do it with is SCHD. Also, we got our clip. Microsoft, Exxon Oil, AMD Wise coming down too. I like them at 14 and under. You can buy that. This rate here is not bad either though. Got a 52-week low of 1209. I just been cashing up on the dividends on this one, not even reinvesting or buying other stocks. But I do want to get, I got 100 shares in my other portfolio. I want to get 100 of the ULTY in this one though. MSTY low but not low enough. Let's look at the other one I like, Spit. Sorry for the long trade today, but it is what it is. Probably gonna set this one up on the same thing. Do 100 shares on this one. We'll buy $1 worth a day. Yeah, pretty nice juicy dividend. Also with less volatility. But I could just buy it on the days when it's under, just cash up. When it's below my average cost, just throw 20, 30 bucks at it. But I trade options on the S&P 500. Got XDTE. Now this one that pays out weekly. This one I did think about doing $1 a day on. As you see this week I got a dividend of 3 cents. I'm gonna make a note of that. QDTEXDTEHDV. $1 a day. Put Spit on there. SPYT. Might do that one too. And also look at your Wendy's trap. Remember how we started this in this portfolio? Up 18.32% in Wendy's. Giving y'all the plays to get inside of that. Pays a nice dividend. QQQY is down 34.31. Might set up something and buy like $3 a day of this here also, but I just buy it on the days when it's down, when it's pulling on back. I trade every day so I can monitor that. But man, that's all we're gonna do for today. Another play I want to give y'all, man, that is up now, looking good. I got to go see what's the news on it. But WBA, I know they closing down some stores. I did see that. But Walgreens is up above the $10 range. Like I told you, it'd be a good swing trade for you. But we'll see what's gonna happen with it. Man, I'm gonna post some more videos too, man. About to really get into the videos of the stock side. Y'all know I post the hottest stuff right now, which been the weather, dealing with these hurricanes and stuff. So y'all see that on my channel, you know, to keep everybody updated with what is going on, especially if you're in the southeast region. I live in Georgia. So anytime it come up that Gulf or coming up that eastern Florida coast or Carolina coast, all the way from hell, man, the North Carolina all the way to the bottom of Florida, we're gonna be affected some kind of way, and always get affected in the Gulf. So keep people, you know, updated on that. And you see my traveling stuff when I travel. So you know I got a stock/travel channel, man. So that's what it do. But stay tuned, man. I'm about to go harder on the stock side and other stuff, just helping people out financially in life, giving my personal stuff that I personally do that works. You know, so I'm out, man. Go get your money.